The lines on this graph give a way to convert between the metric system of length units and the British system of length units. The metric system uses units of centimetres, metres, and kilometres. The British system uses units of inches, yards, and miles. For example, point X on the graph here shows that 80 metres in metric units is 88 yards in British units. This diagram is from an American book. The measurement is in inches, so 30 inches. How tall is the dog in centimetres? Okay, so we're using inches, and we have to convert from the British unit of inches to centimetres, which is a metric unit. So we'll go along the bottom and find 30. And here we have it here. Now we'll go up to the line that converts from centimetres to inches. And that's this topmost black line here. Now we go across to convert to our metric units. And we get about 76 centimetres. This means that our answer should be D, and the dog is 76 centimetres tall.